Hi there. So welcome to the demonstration and also a presentation on my LMS. So my LMS is called EduQuest. So it is a learning management system that has been developed for teachers and students alike. And why I decided to embark on this project is because I was an educator and I have always been curious and interested to know how we can actually develop an LMS for our own students. So I thought that this would be quite an interesting project to embark on. This project has been developed using Java for the back end with Spring Boot, okay, Angular and JavaScript in the front end, and then with MongoDB and SQL for the databases. Okay, so over here we see at the login page, okay, there are both a teacher and student tabs, right? And to log in, we only require the email and password that has been preset. Okay, new teachers can actually register for an account, okay, submit, then can do so. Right, so over here I have preset one for the teacher account. So let's begin. Right, so over here what we see is the dashboard. Okay, at the dashboard you can see the some of the data analytics in terms of the quiz attempts, okay, for the different quizzes that has been created over here. So this page we see that there are 5 different quizzes. Okay, the quiz average score, okay, for each of the quiz by the students, okay, and number of times the notes have been accessed. Alright, so let's look at the first one. If we look at the quiz, okay, let's try it out with let's say capital. Right, you see over here that there are some there's actually a breakdown of the quiz, okay, together with the each questions that has been created. So in the quiz section, right, we see that you can see how did the students perform for each of the questions. So for example, question 1, the percentage correct was 0%. Okay, and these are the questions. We can actually change the answer, okay, to edit our quiz, right? Capital of Japan is, okay, and so on. Okay, and then assign it to the classes that we are interested in. So once we are sure with it, okay, we can actually save them. Okay, and will be brought back to the input page. So if we were to look at capital again, right? Yep, the changes are reflected. Okay, so let's go back to the dashboard. Okay, and over at the notes, okay, likewise we can create, okay, look at some of the notes available here. Okay, so we can put in the title, the section, okay, section, and if we want, we can add a section as well. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to demonstrate, okay, the creation of content, okay, followed by a quiz. Okay, so for I've created, okay, let's try this. Okay, I'll call this Java. Okay, so I pasted the okay, this is the introduction. So I've pasted the section, okay, and now I'd like to add a section. Let's call it the types of applications, 4 types of applications, and then yeah, paste all of this in. Okay, assign it to the classes, okay, and submit. Right, so we'll see over here that the new quiz has been created, Java, okay, on January 15th. Yeah. Okay, so you can take a look, okay, and the data is here. Right, so over here we see that for the notes, since it was a teacher who accessed it, okay, it is still reflected as 0. Okay, next we're going to look at a quiz. Okay, so let's try calling it Java again. What are the forming types? Okay, and let's paste. right? Okay, actually all four are the answer, but I'll just select A here, right? Another one, let's try. Okay, what is Java? Okay, a program. Okay, is the answer. Okay, can call. Let's copy. Right, so I've created two questions. Both are MCQs. Okay, let's add a free response. Okay, who developed Java? Okay, so the other, which company developed Java? Okay, Sun Microsystems. Okay, I'll assign it as 1 mark for this, 1 mark for this, as well as 2 marks for the first MCQ here. Right, so after I've checked, okay, I have to assign it to a class. So let's go with all the classes this time. Okay, submit it. Right, so you'll see that Java is the quiz that has been created with 0 attempts because it was just created. So if I look at Java, right, okay, 0 attempts, 0 marks. Okay, yeah. So let's go to the student right now. Okay, so now I'm going to log in as a student to attempt the quiz. Right, so now I'm inside. Okay, what I can see is that I have the student would have a display, okay, a histogram. Sorry, not a histogram, a bar chart of uh, the students' attempts for the different quizzes. Okay, reflected in percentage. So the quiz that they have attempted, okay, new quizzes that have not been attempted will be reflected. Okay, and content, the notes that they can refer to each time. So let's try look at this. Okay, so these are the notes that we created. Okay, so this is the one for Java that was created earlier. Right, so the student can take a look at it. So after reading and feeling confident that uh, he or she will be able to answer the quiz, okay, going to attempt the quiz. So the first one, okay, is download application. Second one, okay, let's go with a wrong attempt, coffee. Okay, who developed maybe Sun Microsystems. Okay, submit. Right, so it interfaces with the database earlier. Right, and then let where's the okay. Right, and then we'll see that we got our marks earlier. So Java, okay, got 3 out of 4 marks, okay, because the second question was wrong. Right, so this is the demonstration for my app. Okay, so I guess there are still improvements to be made, okay, in terms of the data to be analyzed and some features. And yeah, overall it has been an interesting project. I look forward to enhancing this and creating even more. Thank you.